luck I'm having today, but I had 4 places on the list and I only expected to get in 1 and I've gotten in 3. So I've done very well. Now this place was a police station. It looks like a bloody big one as well. Looks like a creepy interrogation room. It's just tiles. It's a tiny little room. (2008). Again, this is an extremely busy place. Probably the busiest. Whoa, that is sick. Oh my god, it's the door. Jesus. Danger, danger. High voltage. I'm immediately impressed. It's a bit damp. What's going on in here? Oh. It's rotten. What kind of wallpaper is that anyway? Keyboard again. Upstairs storeroom, equipment room, incident room, message pods, first door. Oh, people's names. But the sirens, the constant sirens of this city will put me on edge. Oh, it's a floor polisher. Should not be excited over that. Cool little machines. Grotty room. Those classic old circular lights there, light covers. Oh, it's dingy. Oh my, it's a backup generator. That's sick. A listed easel. Wow. This is up there with one of the coolest places I've done in this country. Oh, big storeroom. Keep left. Oh, wow. It's a map. An old map. That's amazing. The Manchester docks with all the railway lines and the warehouse is still on it. That's now Media City. Wow. Early 2000 targets. Greater Manchester Police Authority, Policing Plan Summary, 2002 to 2003. Oh, big old safe. That's locked. Okay, there's some serious documents are in here. What? Why would there be explosive materials in here? What on earth does the police do with it? What? I'd like an explanation on that one. God, these dark corridors go on for miles. Ooh. Just past the door room in this one, look, I've got like a practice road. An A road. And a slip road. B road. That's so cool. That's a classic lift, isn't it? That's so cool. Again, another pair of stairs, but I know I want to get this floor done. Oh, I've got the floor done. Oh God. It goes in a circle. Why, people? Why? Looks like a kitchen. Something along the lines. There's mirrors everywhere, though. Showers. I wish there wasn't so much crap everywhere that I had to climb over. I did also, before I went in here, as I was crossing the street, there was a security guard. I don't know if he patrols this, but university's next door, so. Oh, okay. More storage. How much storage do you need? Oh, look at this cool corridor though. I think the skylight fell in. Oh wait, this might be the front door. Yeah, I feel like this is the front door. Because that's like a reception-y bit. I guess that backs up right to the street, that does. So this is a police reception where I book you in for the nick. But no one would ever say it like that, but... Oh, it's back here. Looks like another reception. 2007. Some later documents. Oh, I think I might have found the prison bit. At least it's quite bright in here. And an intact toilet. Oh god, that looks grotty on the inside. Don't know why you need a toilet. So the police can just peer at you. Taking a look. Yeah, I can see in there. That's really weird. Oh, that one's a bit dingier. That looks like daylight. Oh, it's a courtyard. Oh, there's me being scared of all the light. There's a bloody courtyard in the middle. My god, this place is huge. Is that a helicopter? That's awful noise. Oh, that's a dark room. Tiles. The dark room. Oh! It's the developed pictures. It's so cool. I didn't think there would be a dark room in here. That just seems like such old school stuff, but it is an old police station at the end of the day. It just closed in the 2000s. Oh. You don't think this place can get any better, and then it does. It's full of surprises. I'm kind of speed running it now. I'm still taking in the rooms, but there's that much to do. I'm also very hungry. Because I kind of went to these places not expecting to go anywhere, to actually get in them. It made a noise. I didn't expect it to make a noise. It's like service lift. What is here? What is that room? What's this room for? There's all filing cabinets and stuff in here. Building inside a building. In fact, chef specials. What's this? It's a canteen. Like, that's a fake wall. floor does not feel nice in this room. Yeah, it's so weird. Like properly old electrical equipment in there. Up we go. Oh, I am noticeable from the windows of the university now. Oh, sorry, pigeon. Oh, it's another one. Oh, bloody hellfire. There must have been desks in the middle there with the plug sockets. Oh, it's those curtains. I think anything screams public service more than those curtains. Blinds, curtains, sort of whatever. One more floor, methinks. It's like an attic. Heck yeah, it is. Oh, all these rooms are going to be the same at the top, aren't they? From the staircases. Ah, the attics are connected. What, even more storage? Yep. That's pretty much it. Oh, look at that view. It's an awfully nice warm day as well. Well, I feel very happy about this. I think it's a cracking explore. I think I've seen pretty much everything there is. There's a few rooms that I've gone through very quickly, and others that I've practically skipped past. I'm just skimming. Well, if there's nothing left to see, if I don't record anything else, then this is it.